Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen Beosound A5 portable speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or if you're having any kind of issues like that where it's not working, you've tried a soft reset, and it didn't work, you may need to move on to this hard factory reset, which will fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to set this speaker up as a new speaker, delete all the pairing history off of it, get all the settings off of it and everything like that, we can go ahead and do this. And it's really easy to do. All we're going to do is we're just going to find the left arrow and the right arrow here, the forward and the back arrows, and we're just going to press and hold both of those arrows for 8 seconds. And if we press both of those arrows for 8 seconds, then we can release it, and you'll notice that the speaker will restart, and the light indicator on it will flash orange. So that means that it has been completely restored to its factory default settings, and it's ready to be set up as though setting up a brand new speaker.